This question is a classic example of a double log. Whenever you see such equation, solve the equation from right to left. First we'll see this value. First 5 is 5 raised to the power 1. Second 5 is under a square root, so write it as 5 raised to the power 1 by 2. Third 5 is under a cube root, then under a square root, so this will become 1 by 3 into 1 by 2. In all the cases, your base is 5, so add all the exponential power 1 plus 1 by 2 plus 1 by 6. This comes from a famous exponential rule, a raised to the power m into a raised to the power n is equal to a raised to the power m plus n. Now this becomes 5 raised to the power 10 by 6. Simplify this and you get 5 raised to the power 5 by 3. Now moving leftwards, you get this log. This power value will come down and log of 5 to the base 5 will be 1. So this becomes 5 by 3. Bring down the second log. You will get log of 5 by 3 to the base 5. This can also be written as log of 5 minus log of 3 or simply 1 minus log 3. I hope you enjoyed this video.